and one more thing. You'll be home around 6:30 then? And then are you going anywhere or could I borrow your car? She's kind of unsure about lending me her car. I get it. She has a break now for an hour. So. I like it now.
I can a little bit, but I don't want to, usually.
Fine. I'm glad
Dizzy?
on a spring.
On a spring?
What freedom. Feels so good.
You were flying.
Oh yeah. It's like in another world. Hey Andrew, we just did the whole canal. It was so much fun. Now we have to go back and it's against the wind. And sand.
Very windy and she's going so fast. Woo, windy. How can we go? So windy.
It's so close. I'll just stand here.
The gas is taking you. Uh-oh. Did you go swimming?
Yeah.
In Costa Rica?
Oh, it was tiring. It was so much fun. So much fun. Anyways, and now it's time for